Hello, and welcome back to your journey learning Python programming. In last session, we will learn how can we open, read, write, and append the data in the text file in the Notepad file. So let's learn in more detail with more examples. Okay, here I'm opening a file in append mode because already data file I have, and this data in it. Okay, I'm open the data file in append mode. Okay, because I want to add the data. Okay. Now, and I'm writing here new line append. Okay, so basically what happened? The next line is new line append. I have a list with the different fruits name. Executing the loop, okay, we know that what happened? It's retrieved one by one all the names. And we say f dot write I is a fruit name. First is apple, mango, like that. And concatenate a slashing because I want every time the data print apple, mango, fruit in a new line. Okay, in a new line. So that's why. Let's run and check the outputs. Go to the data and see it's a new line append. First, it's add new line append and slashing. So because it's come next item come to the new line and it start reading apple, mango, banana. Let's see apple, mango, banana. So that's why I'm adding here concatenate slashing because I want every item must be printed in a new line. Okay, let's just create a new file. Okay, and show one more example. Okay. The same file I'm using here. Let me remove all this. This time we ask user to enter the data. Okay, and we asking user enter at least 5 data. We ask user to add 5 data. Still my file is open in append mode and we ask user the text is equal to input. User enter text and whatever user data enter here is stored in the txt variable. We say f dot write txt. F dot write dot txt. So let's right click run and it's asking here the name. The first name is Pooja, second name is Joy, it's Happy, Lakshmi, and it's a Ram. Okay, let's open the file and check. Okay, the Pooja, Joy, Happy, Lakshmi, and Ram. Okay, you can see that. Right, it's my purpose to show you what happened if I'm not appending the backslash. Okay, so that is the reason I'm joining here. Why backslash n? Okay, so one more time. Okay, this time data is random A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, back to the file and we see here A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, so this is an example. You can get the data from anywhere, from the list, from the user. Okay, manually using the f.write command. So this is the multiple way you can add the data into your text file. Okay, the same way if I want to read the data from this text file again, modify, read for IE, my variable name, it's a f, and we use here print I. Okay, print I. So it's basically starting read data from your third line. And we can check here the last line is E, D. The last line is D and E. And let's check data in between. It's exactly the same in the sequence. Okay, so learn this, keep practicing. See you in the next video.